Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to install the Perplexity AI application in your mobile device. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply open up the Play Store. Well, as you can see, I have just opened up the Play Store. Now from here, what I'm gonna do is simply search for Perplexity AI. At the bottom right, you can see the search button right here. Simply click on it. Now let us simply search for Perplexity AI. And guys, this is it. This is the application that we want to install. Now do note that you can directly install the application by clicking on this install button, but in case that you want more information regarding this application, simply click on the app icon. And then from here, you can get more information regarding this app like data safety, ratings and reviews and everything. But right now, all we want to do is install it. So let's simply hit on install. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the Perplexity AI application is being installed in my mobile device, though it might take some time depending upon your internet speed. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.